What's the story? What? What's the story here?
Now I'll have to show you on this. I'll have to show it to you on this.
Which?
What's gone?
Which was gone? The driver's side, yeah?
Yeah, this one. No,
This one?
Sorry, yeah.
What did you do? What did you do? Why is it gone?
It's under here, look, it's this here.
Huh?
It's just under there. Look.
Ah, the trailing bushings.
Yeah, see the bushes? In the middle, the small boat there. Show you on this here.
Oh, okay, the trailing bushing, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The middle bushes.
That's a bloody job, man.
Simple job.
What a simple job you're doing. It's a bloody.
Yeah, 24 volts.
Yeah.
It's a special tool to take it out. Here, I showed you on this.
Because that is a solid beam.
Huh?
You have a solid beam, so you need to take the whole lot. Like,
No, you don't have to take everything down out.
God.
Let me show you this. You don't have to take down the suspension rack.
Huh?
Take out 4 bolts.
We need a fuller to this, you know? Fuller.
Show you on this, look.
What the heck is that?
Show you how easy it is. Come here.
Huh?
Better show you how easy it is.
17, 18 and 21 millimeter sockets, and torque wrench
No, wait,
cables
let it
to
go.
Forward, wait, forward. I have, don't know it.
Let me take a minute to have a look at this. That's why I was asking to get this up on the net. That's the special tool to get. You going?
No. Yeah. No, we don't have that thing. But the thing is, did you buy the bushing yourself? No.
No, they
Not
kept
yet.
it.
Buy the bushings.
Well, you need a special tool to get them out.
No need special tools.
Huh?
No need.
It is, look what I show you.
No. No need special tools.
You come on out, get out before.
You only need the hammer and then.
You can't get in at it.
Huh?
But see, what I'm doing on this, it shows you, you don't have to take everything out.
No. I know, but no need for that. The thing is, you buy the bushing
Yeah.
and then you text me when you're ready, okay?
We'll get the bushing anytime we get it tomorrow.
Yeah, and then we will schedule, okay?
You already, you know where the bushing goes.
What?
You know where it goes.
This one, yeah?
Yeah, in the center of that.
The center of that,
Yeah,
that
look,
one.
this is here, see this?
Yeah,
Can you take that out of them 4 bolts?
yeah, no problem, yeah.
Did you do one before?
But that too many bushings.
Well, I'm talking about getting it out.
The thing is, we might need to put down the whole lot.
That's the hardest way, yeah. You do that, you have to.
Yeah, because that's a solid beam you have there, you know.
I might be able to get an end of the tool. If I get an end of the tool,
God,
it'll be easier, you know what I mean?
if you buy the tool, then no problem.
I don't want to buy it.
Why?
It's fucking how much it is.
How much?
Fucking £160.
Oh God.
Fuck me, I don't want to pay it. That's buying it. Fucking hell, you're joking or what? That's why I didn't buy it.
No,
160 just for the
no.
fuel.
You buy it, and then after we use, then sell.
Fucking no.
Yeah? Sell it. Sell it to your friend or whatever. Yeah? Yeah, let. Okay, and then you text me, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm get another one.
Yeah.
What day do you off?
Thursday, but I have car to do on Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah. I have car to do on Thursday. No, listen. You have to look for that and then you text me when you're ready.
Well, you'll never be. Do you think you might be able to get a lender to tool yourself? No.
No.
You don't know when
No, no. You go in the, you know, the, where, there are lending tools in, you know, somewhere in Nace Road.
They'd have the tool.
Yeah, somewhere in Nace Road. Just in front of the, you know, the Maxwell gas station.
No. I don't fucking know. I don't even know where.
Google it.
And what they lend them?
Yeah,
You hire them out?
yeah. And then maybe you pay only 20 euro.
Well, I don't mind hiring them. I just
Yeah.
couldn't buy one. They're 160.
Yeah,
fucking
yeah,
euro.
yeah. Okay. And then we will see if you can lend some tools. Then you will text me when you're ready and you buy
Yeah,
buy
I'm gonna
first
try and
tool.
get a lender that tool.
Yeah,
So,
Okay.
I'll wait till I get a lender of it and then text you.
yeah.
You'll never get it out without it.
That's the thing to do. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So, in the meantime,
Yeah.
you might be able to get a lender one off someone.
I cannot. I
You
can't.
don't know anyone.
No.
The garage not have one on over there.
No. They don't have one.
Fucking need to get a lender. See, it's a special tool. I don't know. I would have bought it was 50 euro or something. But it's 160. I only use it once.
Yeah. Maybe after that, then you have to sell it online. You know.
Buy it.
Huh?
He'll drive on it then, no one.
All right. See you. Yeah.
Thanks, all that.
Yeah.
I'll be in touch with you.
Okay.
When I get that tool, I'll ring you anyway, right?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Okay.
Right, thanks.
Yeah. Bye.